Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Ambuja Public School. And this is your maths class. I am your teacher Kavita Sharma. Now, in maths, today we are going to learn lesson number 4, subtraction within 10. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about subtracting by counting backward, subtracting by taking away, subtracting using number bonds, subtraction using the minus symbol, and making subtraction stories. So, let's start. Now, what is the meaning of subtraction? The subtraction means to take a number or amount away from another number or amount is known as subtraction. जब एक नंबर से हम तो कुछ नंबर अलग करते हैं, so that is called subtraction. This you will understand with the help of examples. We are going to use some things जिससे हमें पता चलेगा कि कैसे हम एक चीज़ से दूसरी चीज़ subtract हम उसमें से कैसे निकालते हैं, when how we take away and how we subtract. Let's start. Subtraction by taking away. Let's see this example of taking away. There are 6 chocolates on a plate. Jasleen takes away 2 chocolates. Takes away मतलब ले लिया, ले लेना. Okay. So as you can see this plate here, you can see the 6 chocolates are there on this plate, and Jasleen took away 2 chocolates. उसने 2 चॉकलेट्स ले ली. तो अब जब उसने 2 चॉकलेट ले ली, उसके बाद कितने चॉकलेट्स बचे? We took away the chocolates, 2 chocolates from it. So the answer will be, let us subtract 2 from 6. 6 chocolates थे, उसमें से हमें 2 chocolates निकालने हैं. I take away 2 chocolates and count back from 5, 4. Now what I am going to do, as we have 6 chocolates, I am going to just take away. मैं backward counting करूँगी from 6 to 5 and 5 to 4. And we can cross out 2 chocolates to show that they are taken away. हम backward count करेंगे और जितने भी chocolates ले लिए हैं उनको cross कर देंगे. Can you see here we have done the backward counting from 6 to 5 and 4. So 2 backward counting we have done और 2 chocolates भी हमने हटा दिए. So the remaining are 4. So the answer will be, there are 4 chocolates. 4 chocolates are left on a plate. Can you see this? यहाँ पे 6 chocolates थे, 2 chocolates निकाल दिए. So how many are remaining? There are 4 chocolates are remaining. Okay. Now let's look at one more example. There are 7 oranges in the basket. Can you see a basket of orange? Yes. Now here you can see the 7 oranges are there, and a monkey takes away 2 oranges. Monkey ने क्या किया? इसमें से 2 oranges ले लिया. Now monkey has come here and he has taken 2 oranges from here. 1 and 2. Now this monkey has taken 2 oranges away. Now what we have to find out? How many oranges are left in the basket now? 2 oranges monkey took away. So let us count how many are remaining in the basket. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer will be, there are 5 oranges left in a basket. Yes, 5 oranges are left because 2 are taken away by the monkey. Now, subtraction for finding a part. Let's see the example. But before that, we are going to revise the number bond, because now we are going to use the number bond technique for the subtraction. 1 and 1 make 2. 2 and 1 make 3. 3 and 2 make 5. 6 and 1 make 7. 7 and 2 make 9. 8 and 2 make 10. So these were the number bonds. Now let's recall some more number bonds. Number bond of 3 is 2 and 1. Yes. Number bond of 5 is 3 and 2. Number bond of 7 is 2 and 5. Number bond of 4 is 2 and 2. Number bond of 2 is 1 and 1. And number bond of 8 is 5 and 3. This I am not elaborating because this we have learned already in our lesson number 1. हमने lesson number 1 में number bond सीखा है. So we have only just revised it. Now let's start with an example. There are 5 animals. 3 are monkey and rest are lion. How many are lions? Can you see this? Now there are how many 5 animals. All together there were 5 animals. जिसमें से 3 monkeys थे, तो बचे हुए कितने हैं? Yes, the rest are 1 and 2. Yes. So the answer is 2 are lions. So this way we have used a number bond of 5 to find out the remaining part of these animals. Let's see the another example. There are 7 vegetables. 4 are potatoes and how many are tomatoes? हम part find out कर रहे हैं. 7 है जिसका एक part तो 4 है, हमें पता है ये है. अब दूसरा part जो टमेटो वाला part है वो कितना है? Okay, yes, the answer is 3. So there are 3 tomatoes. Let's see one more example. There are 9 water animals. 3 are fishes. How many are octopus? Now how many are octopus? Let's see. अब ये देखो पूरे 9 है, इसका 9 का एक बॉन्ड तो ये है. Now the remaining are 6. Yes. So 6 are octopus. So here we can see 6 are octopus. Next, there are 4 toffees. 2 are pink in color and rest are yellow in color. How many yellow toffees are there? So the same way we have seen 2 are there and the remaining are yellow. So 2 toffees are yellow. Next, subtraction sentences. How do we write that? For that, let's take one example. There are 10 laddus on a plate. Now Chota Bheem ate 4 laddus. So out of these, Chota Bheem has took 4 laddu. He ate 4 laddus from this plate. Now the question is, how many laddus are left in a plate? If the Chota Bheem takes away 4 laddus, so how many are remaining? Yes, so the answer will be 6 laddus. And this we are going to do it with the help of backward counting as well as with the help of, let's see, first we are going to do it with the help of backward counting. Okay, and yes, so the answer is 6. And we are also going to write the subtraction sentences. How? We write 10 minus 4 equal to 6. And what do we read? We are just going to write in a number. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So there are 6 laddus left now. Okay. Now the next topic is subtraction by counting backward. Let's count from 10 to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count it one more time. 10. Let's count just 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one is 1. Okay. Now let's take the example. There are 5 cups in a tray. Mona takes away 2 cups. How many cups are left in a tray now? Can you see the 5 cups? I have just put those 5 cups here. Now we are going to count backward. 4, 3. Now how many she took? 1 and 2. So the answer will be, there are 3 cups in the tray. Now how many are left here? Can you see this? Yes, so the answer is 3. There are 3 cups left in a tray. The next example. There are 8 birds on a tree. 4 birds flew away. How many birds are left on the tree? Yes, so these are 8 birds. Now let's count backward. 7, 6, 5, 4. And so how many are birds left? Let's see. Just 4 flew away. And here we can count also 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's put a cross. Yes. Next, there are 10 kites flying in the sky. Can you see the 10 kites are flying in the sky? 5 kites fall on the ground. How many kites are left in the sky? How many are just went down? There are 5 kites just fell down on the ground. So let's use the number line. 10, from 10 to 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So the answer will be, there are 5 kites left in the sky. Okay. The next, subtraction stories. How we are going to, what is the meaning of subtraction stories? Subtraction stories are another name of subtraction word problem. And when we have a word problem, we always have a clue word in a word problem. हमेशा एक word होगा जो कि clue देगा कि that it is a subtraction story और हमें इसमें subtraction करना है. Which are those words? Yes, the words are take away, left और difference. इन तीनों में से एक word होगा उस subtraction story में. Either it going to be take away या फिर left होगा या फिर difference होगा. Okay, let's start with an example. I have 4 toys. I gave away 2 toys to my brother. How many toys are left with me? Now here we can see the word left. This left word is showing that this is a subtraction story. Okay, so let's solve this. 4 minus 2 equal. So what is going to be answer? How many toys I just gave away to my brother? 1 and 2. So the remaining are 2. Yes, very good. So I have 2 toys left. Let's see the another example. 6 bees are buzzing around the flowers. Buzzing मतलब ये जो घूमती हैं और फिर जो they make a noise of buzzing, buzz. So that is called a buzzing. So 6 bees are buzzing around the flowers. 2 flew away. How many are left now? Now out of these 6, 2 are flew away. 1 flew away and the 2. Now how many are left? We have to find out this. So what are we going to do? 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Yes, we can count here also that only 4 bees are buzzing now. So the answer will be, there are 4 bees left. Next, my mother gave me 7 sandwiches in my tiffin. I ate 3 sandwiches. How many sandwiches are left? Okay. Out of these 7 sandwiches, I ate 3 sandwiches. So how many are left? Let's count. 1 sandwich I ate, 2 sandwich I ate and 3 sandwich I ate. Now how many are remaining? Yes, there are 4 sandwiches are remaining. So I have 4 sandwiches left. You can see the clue word left is everywhere. That is why we are just putting this minus sign. So this way we are using the subtraction. Okay, now subtracting 0 from the number. From any number, we are going to subtract the 0. Let's see the example. There are 7 frogs in a pond. No frog comes out of the pond. How many frogs are left? How many frogs are there? 7 frogs are there. और उसमें से कोई भी frog नहीं बाहर निकला है. So what is the answer? The answer will be 7. Why? Because none of the frog has come out. वो सारे के सारे पॉन्ड में है. 0 नंबर के निकले. 0 मतलब कोई भी नहीं निकला. तो कितने बचे? Yes, 7. जब कोई भी नहीं निकला तो 7 के 7 ही पॉन्ड में बच गए. Next, there are 4 flowers. Nobody takes the flower. How many flowers are left? अब इस पॉट में 4 flowers थे. किसी ने भी कोई भी फ्लावर नहीं लिया. 0 नंबर का लिया है. So how many flowers are left? Yes, 4 flowers. So there are 4 flowers left. There are 5 birds sitting on a wire. No bird flies away. How many birds are left? एक वायर पे 5 birds बैठी थी. उसमें से कोई भी उड़ के नहीं गई वहाँ पे. That means वो 5 की 5 ही बैठी रही. So the answer will be 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Very good. The next, so this way we are going to do the subtraction. So with this lesson we have learned how we can take how by taking away we are doing the subtraction, and by finding the part how we can subtract, and how when are we going to use the symbol minus. And we have done the subtraction stories, and in the subtraction stories there is always a clue word. So this way you can just do all the subtraction sums. Now with this we'll just finish with this lesson. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye and thank you.